check out this design that Oppo recently sent through one of those patent filings. We have seen pop-up cameras in the past. How about a pop-up camera that hides not just the front-facing camera, but the rear-facing camera as well? Say goodbye to giant camera bulges. So by using a periscope-style design, similar to what we've seen on those zoom lenses, you get all those various mirrors in there, and you can build the whole camera in the body and have the image bouncing around via prism-type devices. It's a crazy design. If you scroll down, you can see the actual patent. It looks very cool in the original render, but also if you look at the patent, look at the complexity of this thing. Now, apparently, this can actually capture in two directions because it's got these dual modules that pop up out of the top, meaning that you could shoot a 360-degree image out of here as well with only a 180-degree turn. It can capture a really wide section. And look at how the components would be housed on the inside of the smartphone body, because now you can get everything going vertical with your sensor and everything else instead of having to have it, sandwiched onto the back of the device. This would obviously be very hard to implement. And then you've got the same questions that people have had in the past about the motorization of the camera module, the number of times you can do it, the durability and such. But I know Oppo's capable of it because they've, in the past, shown off some pretty cool designs with the motorized type of setup. Now, the only problem here is I don't know how big of a headache the rear-facing camera is to people from a design perspective. Of course, the ultra minimalist would love to see just imagine just a smooth back on the phone, no bulge. That'd be kind of wild, actually.
Yeah.
But I think most people are kind of used to the idea. And in many cases recently, the camera hump has kind of become some sort of point of pride in that the bigger your hump, the more expensive your phone. Would you disagree with that? The giant hump is always on the most ultra, most premium, most max version of the phone.
Yeah. Yeah.
The more you spend, the more you hump.
Sure.